In this session, we are going to discuss how to find out the transfer function from the electrical circuits. So before that, we need to know some of the equations with the various electrical components. So with the first of all, with the resistor, the voltage through the resistor by the Ohm's law, that is I into R. Then in the control system, specifically we require the Laplace transform, because the ratio of the Laplace of output to the Laplace of input, that is nothing but the transfer function of control system. So here the Laplace of the voltage, that is a VR of S, time domain is converted into S domain. So current is again converted from time domain to S domain, and the resistance is a constant term. Similarly, in the term of the capacitor, voltage through the capacitor is 1 by C integration of I of t dt. That is the formula, but we need the Laplace version. Okay, that is the V of S is equal to 1 by C, as it is, this is the constant term, but the integration term is there, that's why we need to add there 1 by S Laplace operator into I of t becomes I of S. Okay, so next is the inductor. Voltage through the inductor is L into di by dt. So here L is the constant term in the Laplace form, but di by dt, d by dt is replaced by operator S, and I of t becomes I of S. So these are the some basic formulas which are required with the resistor, capacitor and inductor. So now here we will find out the transfer function for the RC circuit, where the input voltage is a Vi of t and the output voltage is a V naught of t. So what we require to get the transfer function is V naught of S divided by Vi of S. That is the final outcome. So for that purpose we need to find out the Vi of t first of all and V naught of t then. Okay, and after getting the Vi of t, we'll find out the Laplace of Vi of t. So from the first loop, using the loop analysis KVL equation, Vi of t is equal to I of t into R, plus capacitance is there, voltage through the capacitance is 1 by C integration of I of t dt. So its Laplace is V. Then the second equation from the loop number 2 for the V naught of t is 1 by C integration of I of t dt. So we'll get the Laplace of these two equations, Vi of t and V naught of t. So taking the Laplace, so we'll get the Vi of S and V naught of S. So but what is the transfer function? It is the ratio of Laplace of output to the Laplace of input. So V naught of S to the Vi of S, this ratio we need to find out. So finally we'll get the ratio of both, and that will give a transfer function. Okay, that is 1 upon 1 plus S into RC. S will be in a small letters because this is a Laplace operator. So this is the transfer function of the RC network or the RC circuit. Okay, so there is a one pole at the origin. Next example for the RC network with the another system. So 1 upon 1 plus S RC, that is the answer. Okay, so in this way we'll have the various examples with the calculation of transfer function for the various types of circuits.